Guys, listen, cannot apologize enough. We're just mad sorry. We haven't been posted for ages now. It feels like forever. Hasn't been that long, but it does feel like forever. Reason is, we've just been getting a lot of L's, like mad losses all over the shop, everywhere from, from the Adidas Pradas we couldn't even get, and a lot of Dunk Lows we just getting mad L's for, mad L's for. So, what can we say? But anyway, we have something for you today, and here we go. A humongous box from Nike. Now, if anything tells me, it feels like it's going to be a high. Because you know what a high is when it's from the Nike. The box is just massive. All of LeBron's, actually. All of LeBron's. So let's go. Okay, so Nike recently dropped their AYLXL, collab with Williams, and there were the two colorways. Now, I've seen the Wolf Grey. See, I got excited, right? It says Wolf Grey, but it's the black Wolf Grey. Man, it's the white. The white ones did look kind of fresh still. But anyway, here we are. The Air Force High ALYX collab with Nike. And you guys will know from one of the very first videos of how I felt about the black and the white ones of them. They were absolutely storming. So do you know what? So straight away, it's because they're Air Force, they just look big, don't they? So you open the box and you're getting this just big shoe in front of you, just massive shoe in front of you. Oh, let's open it up. So here we are. So I think firstly, what you feel is the texture, and the texture of these it's like a real premium leather feel. Like sometimes you can just get, standard, leather, and it's just like, it's so leathery, it's like plastic. But it's a premium leather. I mean, it has to be, right? Because these were retail at £344. So that's a lot of money, right? So you don't want to be getting some stupid plasticky leather. Feels great, feels soft, feels smooth. So listen, we've got we've got the ALYX brand. They love these little buckles that go on all of their stuff. I was even going to try and get myself a man bag, but I flopped on that. I got another L, but we'll move on from that. So yeah, I do love these clips. I do love these clips. Like I said, you see from my first review on the black and white version of these, I absolutely love them. What can you say about these? I mean, like I said, the texture of this, this upper leather, it's just really nice and really soft. And I think what's really good is because it is so soft and it's a premium leather, the creases won't be so prominent. Because like with Air Forces, normally, you want to put something in them so they don't crease anyway, but they always crease. But these on, because of that leather, it's a bit, it's a bit worn in already, so it feels really, really good. I mean, there's not much to say about these, right? You see them, they look really good. They look like all the collabs that they've been doing with ALYX. It's just the colorway is just different, right? So this Wolf Grey, so obviously the white colorway is just completely white with this Wolf Grey in it, which actually sold really, really well. And even on the resale market as well, people are still chomping them up. So if you've got a pair and you haven't worn them yet, definitely go resell. But for me, I think these are a keeper, I think so. Now, why do I think that? It's not, why do I think that? I think it's because although it's plain and simple, it actually works, isn't it? Because it'll be one of them shoes where you just rock on like, yeah, they're just Air Force, but no way, they're ALYXs, it's the brand, it's the collab. I don't know. You know how I feel about these guys. I'm not going to go on too much. You've seen me harp on about these all the way through. So here, standard print on the undersole. Nothing. The only characteristic, obviously, here it's silver. It's written in silver, and I think on the white ones, and actually, I think the white ones it's still silver. So it's again, just trying to keep it all together. But I just really love this buckle on. That brand is just such a cool brand, right? And I know, guys, I ask a question. should we review some apparel, you know, some clothing, some tops, some hoodies, some jumpers? I don't know. Let us know, because obviously the whole style versus trend is about, you know, just showing the latest fashion trends and so on. And these reviews are strictly focused on footwear. But listen, if you guys, you know, want to start seeing some apparel, some clothing, or even some grooming kit, you know, we've got we've got some content we can throw out there as well, but only if you guys want to see it. So here we are. So yeah, back in here with the laces, it's slightly off. It's just me and my little bit of OCD. It's slightly off, but look, simple. Can't harp on about these too much. They're absolutely lovely. The texture's great. The finish is good. There's no, like, you know, no glues going over, no stitchings coming undone like sometimes you can see on Yeezys. You know, and they're just nice. They're just nice. I think what would have been really cool if you got these laces and they were like this grey. That would have just changed it up completely. That would have completely changed it up. But as it said, it's all black here, and like the other, yeah. Oh. So unlike, you know, normal, I say normal, like these are not normal, but like, you know, like other trainers when you go in and you put your foot in, and it's got that clothy material. This is just the leather again. I don't know, man. Well, we'll see what it's like on the foot on. And I guess one thing is, if it is the leather, it'll be easier to get on with your trainers, right? And with your socks. Because, you know, when you've got the clothy material inside, trying to get them on, sometimes a pain in the ass. So maybe that's why they did it. Excuse me, guys. Maybe that's why they did it, you know, a leather on the inside. But yeah, you know, obviously, they're quite heavy. They're quite heavy, as you would expect from the Air Forces, because mainly it's like 90% sole, right? And I was just talking about the glue not being overdone, and there's a little stitching of it here, but does it come off? Nope, doesn't come off. Proper glue. Fail. Lose a point. Anyway, guys, on foot. Yeah, no, maybe, not too sure. Would I cop these? If I already have a pair, I wouldn't cop these. If I don't, I would. That would be my advice, because obviously, like, you know, I don't know, man. Some trainers you just want to have all the colorways, and some you're just like happy you just got a pair of them. You know, like the most iconic ones, the first ones, or, you know, the last ones. You know, if ever you know they're the last ones. These are just very same. You know, they're heavy on the feet. I'm not a fan of Air Forces. I really don't get it. They're heavy on the feet. Yeah, they do look good, I think. I mean, what do you think? I think they look good. But would I cop it if I have another one already? No, I wouldn't. Would I cop it if this is my first one? Definitely. But then at 344 English pounds, I mean, dude, you can get like 2 Yeezys. You know what I mean? It's just like, come on. I don't know. I think the price bracket for me is a no-no. Only because it's ALYX, you know, and it's like the Prada, Adidas will come in and they're like 400, and you're like, okay, cool. I know they're like even 3 something. You can understand that because it's Prada. You know, Prada's a massive name. No disrespect to the guy at ALYX. It's just, you know, the designer Williams is just, I don't know, man. I think that price bracket, it just makes it uncopable, really, unless you you want your first pair. But hey, that's my opinion, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and again, apologies, but don't worry, we got the videos coming in thick and fast.